Hello, everybody. I'm here yet again with one of my counseling cases, which will definitely help you in your bringing up of your child. So, this is about a girl who is very intelligent. She is like about 5 or 6 years old, but she is so intelligent that she is able to, or she understands the syllabus of a second standard class, second standard. So she's so intelligent. Her parents have made her so intelligent. That means they have provided her with so many different materials. Most of them are above her age, and because she is very adaptive and very she is very intelligent and ready to absorb and understand the concepts. She gets to read and write also many words regarding the phonic syllables or syllabus. She is able to write, she is able to read very well. This, of course, is above her standards. So now this student is in my session, my online sessions, and she does so well that sometimes she beats the other students who are of her age. Correct? Now what happens is, it's very good. This is now, parents, now this is your concern of your concern. This is very good. You provide your child many study materials, creative materials above their age. Now when the child, you are not promoting the child to the next section so that the child his at least his cognitive level is according to the group. What happens is, the child is of the same age as others in the class, but unfortunately it's good for you, but it's not good for the child. The child's cognitive level is higher. So now what happens? There are so many challenges that the child has to experience, face, because of this careless, I will say careless behavior, because of parents. Because it's a parent's duty to understand what the child should learn, how much also the child should learn. If the child is gifted with a good mental grasping power, that doesn't mean that you are going to start pouring information into the child's brain, right? He is young, very fresh mind and intelligent and good at grasping. He will grasp at present, but what happens later when this whatever thing is here becomes more challenging for the child to cope up with the kind of knowledge that you are pouring into him? Your expectations are increasing day by day, but the child, what do you think? how will the same child behave when the child is in 6, 7, 8, beyond those sections, those standards? How will he behave? Have you ever thought? This is why children, they go in a different direction. When they grow up, when they are in 8th standard, suddenly parents come to me, ma'am, ye bilkul padhta nahi hai. He is not into studies. Initially, he used to score 100 out of 100. He was so intelligent. Now he is not. Please try to focus and understand what I'm saying here. The child should be exposed to the knowledge according to his age. Now, I have another counseling where the child is in maybe 8th standard. I don't remember. It was an old counseling, not very fresh one. So this child in 8th standard suddenly is not willing to appear for exams. He is not willing to go to school. He is not willing to study. Neither is he willing to do anything else. Kind of frustration has started building up. Now this child, when he was young, he used to score so well. He used same like this child, the one that I was talking earlier about. So what happens is the child has that saturation level has reached. Now the child starts disliking things, going down. This is one challenge. Second challenge is this boy who is in 8th standard also faced groupism. The children from his standard did not like him. They disliked him because he was always ahead of others. He used to do everything. He had knowledge beyond others. So they discarded him from the group. It happens in our world also, not only children's world. So the child has to take that peer pressure. That peer pressure also develops frustration within him. And then parents think that what has happened to my child? Why is he not performing? What's wrong? What has gone wrong? It's our fault, elders, our fault. We are not paying attention to the areas of concerns here. For us to bring all kinds of information and games and gadgets and giving it to the child is very good. But think what will happen to the child. Think around, if the children around him are all so intelligent, are they at par with this boy, or this boy is above them? Same happens to the children who are below average. They are also being discarded. But here, the below average students, parents and all, the teachers, parents and elders, they focus on the child. But unlikely with the girl there who is so intelligent, everybody is so satisfied. So please don't do this. This is a big mistake. Please don't do this. My name is Preeti K. Freitas, and I am a child counselor. Parental counselings have been given by me, and my number and my email address is in the description box. If you need any help regarding your child or any concerns regarding parenting, do connect with me. Thank you.